See, press 1 for Coke, press 2 for bubblegum, and press 3 for cake. In the section user just selected 3, 1 to 3 accordingly, and just at the last is 3. So the cake is after the payment, the cake is just down. It means that this down section represents that we got the cake to deliver the user. Okay, so basically this complete section is developed for the vending machine control system. Okay, and next one is basically this is basically the complete Proteus, Arduino code which is developed, and the simulation of Proteus is developed in this vending machine control system. This is a complete its schematic and the PCB design for MDB vending machine. Okay, after that this controller will be developed as a MDB master board, and we can use this controller as a master controller to control its MDB. Okay, so these are the conclusion added references.
I boost my skills with Wired White.